In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in Hubspot. This is a simple way to let recipients book time with you directly from a marketing email without needing to search for a scheduling page. Before you begin, make sure you already have at least one meeting link set up in your Hubspot account because you will be selecting it from a drop-down during the email edit. Start by going to the main navigation in Hubspot. From there, open the marketing menu and then select Email. This takes you to your marketing email dashboard, where you can create a new email or continue working on an existing one. If you are starting fresh, click Create Email and choose the type of marketing email you want to build. If you already have a draft, hover over that email and click Edit. Either option will bring you into the email editor. Once you are in the editor, look at the body of the email and click into a rich text module. This is the area where you can type and format text, and it is also where you can place a meeting link, so it appears naturally inside your message. Click directly in the spot where you want the link to appear, for example after a short sentence inviting the reader to schedule time. Next, go up to the toolbar for the rich text editor. Click Insert, then select Meeting Link. Hubspot will open a small menu where you can choose the meeting link you want to use. Select your meeting from the drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits the purpose of the email, such as a general scheduling link or a specific meeting type. Then edit the link text to make it clear and action-focused, like schedule a meeting or book a time to talk. Keep the wording short so it reads cleanly inside the email. When you are ready, click Insert. You should now see the meeting link added to the rich text area, formatted as a clickable link. Finally, go to the top right and click Review and Send. This is where you can double-check the email content and settings before sending or scheduling it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.